Good evening! Ay, good morning na pala. Welcome to the Miss Slumber Party. I'm Miss Goana Elective 2009. I'm your host, Anonymous. Now, we will showcase the wardrobes na nahalughog nila dito sa cabinet. So, without further ado, here are your finalists with their opening dance number. You know what's so and you'll never change. Nakita niyo naman, napakaganda ng ating mga finalists. Of course, we'll get to know each one of them. First up, wearing blouse na pambahay na pants with stockings na black, Miss Margie Torrente, contestant number 1.
Hi! I'm Margie Torrente! Nakatira sa land of Pudlo! Rock and roll!
Next, wearing multi-layered dress at bonggang-bonggang palda, contestant number 2.
Konbanwa! Watashi manamae Ryu desu! And I believe that malignant skin cancer is the most frequent skin cancer. Thank you. If I can ever
Okay. So, nawala ako doon. Third, wearing bonggang-bonggang top at miniskirt, medyo maaraw pa daw, contestant number 3.
Good morning, Kikays out there. I'm Randy. I'm your Kikay friend.
Last but not the least, wearing colorful dress and white stockings. Naiwan ata ng nanay to. Contestant number 4.
Mabuhay! Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Christina Cassandra Wapo. Nakatira po ako sa Masambong. May kasabihan po tayo, ang mga natutulog na madaling araw, gumagawa daw po ng project sa bibi. Joke!
And now for the winner. Now for her final walk, the reigning Miss Number Party, Miss Gawana Project Elective 2009, Miss Andrea Maris Cortez.
And now, for the winner of the Miss Lumber Party ay Miss Gawa ng Project sa Elective 2009. Miss Andrea, please announce the winner.
And the winner is